The Weeknd breaks silence on dating Angelina Jolie. She's a pro. Angelina Jolie knew exactly how to dodge a question about The Weeknd while keeping her cool. Unlikely celebrity couples over the years. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel Trend Craze for more videos about your favorite celebrities. During a virtual press junket for her new role in Marvel Studios' Eternals on Monday, October 25th, Jolie, 46, was asked about her 6 kids and how excited they are about the cool parts of her life, including her relationship with the 31-year-old famous singer born Abel Tesfaye. Were they more excited that you are in the Eternals movie or that you're friends with The Weeknd? E's Daily Pop host Justin Sylvester asked. Jolie, who is the mother of Maddox 20, Pac 17, Zahara 16, Shiloh 15, and twins Knox and Vivian 13, did not address her latest rumored romance though. They're very excited about this film, if that's what you're asking. The action star winner replied, they're very excited about this film. Angelina Jolie's dating history, Brad Pitt, Billy Bob Thornton, and more. The interview quickly moved on to her daughters borrowing her clothes, and that's likely because the relationship between her and the Blinding Lights crooner isn't too serious yet, an insider dished exclusively to Us Weekly in late September. Both Angie and Abel are telling people that they're just friends, but those who know them think something romantic is going on. The source explained, adding that the Grammy winner is in awe of the Oscar winner. Though the Marvel star was playing down talk of anything serious at the time, those in her inner circle believe things could turn romantic. Friends say they're happy to see the activist enjoying her life. The source said Jolie hasn't dated much since she split from Brad Pitt in September 2016 after their romance started in 2005, instead focusing on parenting, activism, and her film career. Though she's finally stepping back into the dating pool, she's not seriously dating anyone, an insider told us last month. Angelina's having so much fun right now, and she's making up for lost time, the source revealed in September. There's no pressure or expectation at this point, just a lot of fun. And Angelina's really enjoying it. Her friends haven't seen her this up and energized in a very long time. Why Angelina Jolie wants her kids to raid her closet. Now, before we continue with The Weeknd breaks silence on dating Angelina Jolie, subscribe to our channel Trend Craze so that you don't miss out on any future updates. In addition to starring in Marvel Studios' next superhero blockbuster due in theaters November 5th, the Girl Interrupted star recently joined Instagram to be more vocal about her activism. Of course, the proud mother of 6 can't resist sharing photos of her kids. She proudly showed off Zahara and Shiloh in early September during their summer reading, paging through Toni Morrison's The Bluest Eye and Akala's The Dark Lady respectively. During an appearance on E's Daily Pop with her Eternals co-star Salma Hayek, Angelina was asked if her children were more excited by her new release or her friendship with The Weeknd. Real name Abel Makonnen Tesfaye. Angelina Jolie continued to field romance rumors with The Weeknd by stepping out for dinner with him at Giorgio Baldi in Santa Monica on Saturday night. The mother of 6, 46, and the Canadian singer, 31, spent 2.5 hours inside a private section of the luxurious, family-run Italian restaurant. Angelina arrived at the swanky eatery separately from The Weeknd, born Abel Tesfaye, at 8:05 p.m., but did leave with him after the meal. New couple alert. While she is sure to set tongues wagging about a possible reunion between the duo, she has also been repeatedly dining out with music superstar The Weeknd this year. She then hopped into the backseat of The Weeknd's waiting black SUV, and they drove to his $70 million Bel Air mansion. The estranged second wife of Brad Pitt wore a black double-breasted trench coat, matching pumps, and an Yves Saint Laurent purse. The Weeknd coordinated with her and looked typically suave in a black jacket, skinny jeans, and boots. Giorgio Baldi was also at the setting for the pair's first public sighting on June 30th. And I'm sure you're familiar with the chart-topping, Grammy Award-winning musician known as The Weeknd. In which case, you may have also heard rumors that these two superstars could be an item. This news might come as a surprise, especially given that Angelina and The Weeknd haven't previously been known to hanging out. But for the past 3 months, the internet has been buzzing with intrigue about this potential power couple. But if you're not up to speed yet, here is a quick timeline of their friendship for those of you who still may be wondering how this unlikely pairing came about. So it all started on June 30th, when Angelina and The Weeknd, whose real name is Abel Tesfaye, surprised fans after they met up for dinner in LA. Despite not being photographed together on the night, eyewitnesses did claim that the pair spent multiple hours in the luxury Italian restaurant chatting away before leaving in separate vehicles. And despite fans' excitement about the possibility of a hot new Hollywood couple, any speculation was quickly shut down by a source who told Page Six that the pair had met up for business reasons and nothing more. They're clearly not trying to hide the dinner date, the source claimed. He's definitely focused on getting into the movie business. He has the new HBO series he's starring in. But just when all hope was lost, fans couldn't help but get excited when Angelina and Abel were spotted again, just 2 weeks later at a private concert in LA. This time, however, they were joined by two of Angelina's 6 children, Zahara 16 and Shiloh 15, which only prompted more questions about the close nature of their friendship. And then, bringing things full circle, Ange and Abel met up for dinner again last month in the very same spot where they were first spotted dining back in June. So, aside from confirming that the two appear to have a shared love for Italian food, Angelina and Abel's third public outing took dating rumors to new heights after they were photographed leaving the restaurant together. Which brings us to now. The pair have not been spotted together since. Meanwhile, Angelina has kept busy with her castmates while promoting her new Marvel film, The Eternals, and it's perhaps no surprise that the 46-year-old wasn't able to escape chatter about her love life. The Save Your Tears hitmaker, whose real name is Abel Tesfaye, has reportedly been obsessed with the Maleficent actress for years. An insider revealed to OK Magazine he first hooked up with her this summer, saying he needed help for a charity project, but his intention all along was to have a serious relationship. The 46-year-old Hollywood A-lister, who was spotted having dinner with the 31-year-old musician at a Los Angeles hotspot restaurant last month, has been allowing him to wine and dine her because she enjoys the attention. The insider further dished that Jolie, who is mom to 6 kids she shares with ex Brad Pitt, is reportedly content to bask in the spotlight and become the talk of everyone's mouth once again. Additionally, The Weeknd has reportedly really fallen hard for Angie, and he believes there could be a shot escalating their relationship from friends to lovers. However, not everybody is all for their relationship, with the pals of Bella Hadid's ex-boyfriend warning him that Jolie will break his heart. Unfortunately for him, Abel is just not listening, the source noted. Is Angelina Jolie using The Weeknd? In another report, it has been suggested that the talked-about pair is all just for show. Angelina Jolie is reportedly afraid of not being relevant anymore, so she needed to be in the middle of a hot gossip so people would continue talking about her. According to a source who spoke to WHO magazine, she wants to gain even more popularity among the younger generation, big fans of the Starboy hitmaker. Meanwhile, this reported relationship doesn't just benefit Jolie, but The Weeknd as well. Per the same source, he is also using Jolie to get into the movie industry. Though he's already starring in a new HBO series, he reportedly wants to work on more projects as he expands his horizons. The Weeknd reportedly thinks that one of those people who can help him become a breakout star in Hollywood is Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie, The Weeknd's relationship. One thing that may have or haven't helped The Weeknd's career for his benefit is becoming a United Nations Goodwill Ambassador, just like Angelina Jolie. In a press release, the singer-songwriter said he wants to do important work to change and save lives on a daily basis. I feel passionate about addressing world hunger and helping people in need. And as for the Jolie The Weeknd dating rumors, one should take these reports with a grain of salt. But another insider has already debunked the rumors, claiming that the pair are just friends. Based on what we think is worthy. If you have more to share with us, share them in the comments below and wait for our interesting topics coming soon. If you think they deserve to be on this list, share your opinion in the comments below.